Are you in 11th or 12th and striving for excellence in medical, non-medical, or commerce streams? Welcome to Dashmesh Academy, the foundation of your bright future. At Dashmesh Academy, we provide more than just classes, we provide a competitive edge. With expert faculty, customized study plans, and advanced learning techniques, we help you excel in board exams and beyond. Whether you're dreaming of a career in medicine, engineering, or business, our dedicated stream-specific programs prepare you for success. For medical, we focus on building a strong foundation in biology, chemistry, and physics to ace NEET and board exams. For non-medical, our in-depth teaching of mathematics, physics, and chemistry gets you ready for JEE and other technical pursuits. For commerce, we simplify accountancy, business studies, and economics to shape future entrepreneurs and professionals. Year after year, our students achieve outstanding results in board exams and competitive exams. Dashmesh Academy is proud to be the stepping stone for countless success stories. Our world-class facilities include smart classrooms, expert-led teaching, and personalized doubt-clearing sessions. We focus on interactive learning to ensure students achieve their full potential. Start your journey towards success today. Join Dashmesh Academy for expert guidance in medical, non-medical, and commerce streams. Visit dashmeshacademy.com or call us now. Let's make your dreams a reality. dashmeshacademy.op. Khalsa College, Amritsar. 987-664-3060 950-110-1781